Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and here we're gonna navigate to bottom, system and update, and here select reset tablet. It will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like photos, music, and all user data, which obviously if you want to keep any of that, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now from here I'm going to just select reset tablet. It does give you the option to back it up right here. I never recommend using the whatever backup the device basically offers you, as these backups are kind of like one step forward, two steps back. So yes, you can back it up, but you can only have access to this data if your other device is a HUAWEI, which obviously you can imagine how that is a very limiting factor of a backup, which you can't restore to everything. That really defeats the purpose of a backup. I would like to have access to it, no matter what I'm using. So in cases of that, I highly recommend just plugging it in with a Type-C to your computer and manually backing up all the data by just dragging the files yourself. Skip the ease of use garbage backups and just do it yourself. And therefore, number one, your data is safe and secure. Number two, it's being kept locally on your own computer. And number two, it's not kind of being held for specified period of time. Because if you're in European Union, these manufacturers, I believe, are obligated to keep them only for 2 years, and at which point they just kind of delete it if nothing has been done, I presume, with it. But the law basically prevents them from keeping this data indefinitely. So the data is the safest if you back it up yourself. Anyway, I have nothing here that I want to back up, so I'm just going to select reset tablet, and we're going to need to turn on Wi-Fi because I need to sign out of the garbage account right here. So let me just sign into network first. What? What's your damage? Interesting. Oh boy, what is the password? Let's try another one. There is something inherently completely annoying about needing to provide information when resetting the device. Just frickin' delete everything. Stop asking me for stupid shit. Continue. That's most likely, yep, gonna ask me to do this dog shit. I'm resetting it. Just delete the damn account. So you can see there is going to be some annoyances, and let's see how long it takes me to figure out what that damn password for this trash is. Is it the correct one? Oh, I think it is. Let's go. Log out. Cool. Log out. And we're finally beginning the actual reset of the device. Something that's supposed to be a couple clicks and just go automatically. Honestly, it might be much easier for you to do it through recovery mode, which I'll be showing you in the next video, because these resets are getting freaking annoying as hell. Now you'll still need to verify later on after the reset is confirmed if you do it through recovery mode, but for the simplicity and speed, this way is through recovery mode going to be much faster without needing to sign into network and provide your credentials and all that trash. So it just kind of goes boop, gone, and you're done. Come on, camera, can you focus? Hello? There we go. Now I'm keeping my hand on the screen just because the camera is being a bit wonky, trying to focus on not a matte display for some reason. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.